Here we go, kid, at the Hampton Inn in San Luis Obispo, California, room 220. We'll start off another COVID edition update. We have the Hilton Clean Stay with Lysol protection. I have not checked out that QR code to see what that all means, but I assume it's some kind of disinfectant protocol. So let's go on in. So we do start off with the bathroom here on the right. And pretty standard for a Hampton Inn. Been a while since I've been in one, so I'm not sure on the colors and whatnot, but they do have a mat, which I thought was kind of interesting. But tub with a stopper, couple of different options on the shower head. Overall, looks pretty clean. Little cosmetic touch-ups on the caulk could be used, but anyway, we're looking over here. I can see we did use a bar of soap, but so they give us 2 bars of soap, shampoo, conditioner, and lotion. Kleenex, toilet paper, not the normal. Oh, there it is. Extra roll of toilet paper, plenty of towels and the like. So let's move on into the main room. We do have a thermostat on the wall here. We have outlets right there, good for the iron and the ironing board that they do include in there. They did also include an extra blanket up top. These are the only outlets here on this side, though, so you can't really see in there. It's too dark, but there's nothing over there. So one outlet there. Over on this side, we have plenty of outlets. We have a couple right underneath there, as well as on the lamp itself. So this side can use one of the ones there on the lamp. And on this side of the bed, we have another outlet here. So again, this is the 2 double beds. They did have many different options there. We'll go over here. Let's just take a look at the desk area. More outlets, coffee, regular and decaf, individually wrapped cups, which is key at this time as well. We do have a microwave, as well as a mini fridge, no freezer. Also, there was no safe in the closet over there either. Then we do have a TV. Pretty good picture. TV could be a little bit bigger for my liking, but it's totally fine for what we're going to use it for here. And then let's take a look. We'll open up the shades here, and you can see the outside a little bit. Really, you're just looking at a taco temple, and then some apartment buildings over there, and then the highways off in the distance. So there you have it, the Hampton Inn in San Luis Obispo. I hope I'm saying that correctly. And until next time.